Hello, I'm Benjamin from Dreadful Terrain, and today I will show you how to make this gory effect. All right, here we go. So I got this paper towel on my cutting mat because this is gonna be messy and gory and bloody as hell. It's a nice paper towel with some small elephants on it. You don't have to get one with elephants, but yeah, right, who cares? Let's get on with it. I got the chalice of Usharan. It's a chalice, man. No more dreadlock jokes. It's gory, but we have to gory it up, make it more bloody. So I'm gonna use this. A lot of people are using the Yoo-Hoo universal adhesive. This is a Danish brand called Dana Lee. Who cares? It's the same stuff. Got a palette. Good amount. And it smells like, yeah, not healthy. And it isn't. So wear a mask if you're gonna sit with this for like hours. We're not. Because this is quite fast. Blood for the blood god. And a trusty cotton swab. And a good amount of blood for the blood god. And just mix it in with your glue. You can already see it's quite sticky and gross. Take a good chunk of your goriness here. I want some from the chalice to the gravestone here. Just put it here and draw it in and attach it here. Yeah, that's it. So here you can see the string. Just gonna make some more here. Just play around with it. You can always remove it if it hasn't dried yet. Take a good amount of it. Just let it go. Just make it work. Yeah. To the ground. Just play around with it. Quite a big chunk here. As you can see, you don't have the biggest amount of time to play with it before it sits, but it's all right. Just make a new batch. Yeah. Yeah, just play around with it. You see, now it's about to set. Yeah. And when this is dry, just paint it up with your blood for the blood guard to match the colors. This is just to get a base color. And if you want to do like slime or drool or something like that, you just don't put any color in it. You just use it straight from the not the box, straight from the canteen. I don't know. Yeah. Anyways, there you have it. And when this is dry, just paint it up again. Let's see here. This is my Terrorgeist eating a little horsey. I don't know if it's yeah. There we go. It's pulled all the way down to the base. And here's this is my first try actually on my zombie dragon. It's also eating a horse. What's this with me and horses? They just have to die. No. Well, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed the video.